Have you ever pulled out your favorite shirt only to find those ugly black spots and that musty smell? That's mold. It's not just unpleasant, it's also unhealthy. But don't worry, getting mold out of clothes is easy once you know what to do. Let's fix it step by step. Mold usually grows on clothes that stay damp for too long. Maybe you forgot your laundry in the washer or left wet towels in a corner. Mold loves moisture and darkness. The longer it stays, the harder it is to remove. So the key is to act quickly. Before cleaning, take safety precautions. Mold spores can cause irritation or allergies, so wear gloves and, if possible, a mask. Always take moldy clothes outside first and shake or brush off loose spores. This prevents them from spreading in your house. Now, here's what you'll need: white vinegar, baking soda, laundry detergent with strong cleaning power, a soft brush or old toothbrush, and access to hot water and sunlight if possible. Step 1. Pre-treat the mold. In a large bucket or basin, mix 1 part white vinegar with 4 parts water. Soak the moldy clothes in this solution for at least 1 hour. Vinegar is slightly acidic, which kills mold and helps remove that musty smell. If the mold is stubborn, you can let it soak for a few hours. Step 2. Gently scrub. After soaking, use your brush to gently scrub the visible mold spots. Don't be too rough, or you could damage the fabric. You just want to loosen the mold from the fibers. Step 3. Wash with hot water. Put the clothes in your washing machine and set it to the hottest water temperature safe for the fabric. Add your regular detergent and, for an extra boost, add half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda helps eliminate mold odors and makes clothes smell fresh again. If your washer has a pre-wash or soak option, use it. The extra time helps remove mold completely. Step 4. Dry completely. This is the most important part. Never leave damp clothes after washing. Dry them outside under the sun if possible. Sunlight helps kill remaining mold spores and naturally fades stains. If outdoor drying isn't possible, use a dryer on the highest safe heat setting. Mold thrives in moisture, so make sure the clothes are completely dry before folding or storing. After drying, check the clothes carefully. If you still notice a musty smell or small stains, repeat the process. Sometimes mold clings tightly to thick or natural fabrics like cotton or linen, but a second wash usually fixes it. For delicate or colored fabrics, you can use a mold remover designed for clothes, but always follow the instructions and test on a small area first. Now that your clothes are clean, let's keep mold from coming back. Always dry clothes fully before storing. Even a little dampness can cause mold in a few days. Make sure your closet has good airflow. Don't pack clothes too tightly together, and use moisture absorbers or silica gel packs if you live in a humid area. If your home feels damp, use a dehumidifier or keep a window slightly open to improve ventilation. A quick tip for gym clothes and swimsuits: never leave them rolled up in a bag. Rinse and hang them to dry as soon as you can. The faster you remove moisture, the less chance mold has to grow. If you accidentally washed moldy clothes with your regular laundry, don't worry. Just run an empty wash cycle with hot water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and a little baking soda. This disinfects your machine and keeps mold spores from spreading to future loads. And if one particular item still smells or looks stained after multiple washes, it may be time to let it go. Sometimes mold damages the fabric fibers beyond repair. It's better to discard one piece than risk spreading mold to the rest of your wardrobe. The best way to fight mold is prevention. Keep your laundry area clean and dry, and never leave damp clothes sitting in the washer. Regular sunlight exposure can also help prevent mold buildup, especially on natural fabrics. So, to sum it up, take moldy clothes outside, soak them in vinegar water, scrub gently, wash hot with detergent and baking soda, then dry completely in sunlight or heat. Repeat if needed, and always make sure your clothes stay dry afterward. With these simple steps, you can save your favorite outfits, eliminate that musty odor, and stop mold from coming back. If this helped you rescue your clothes, give this video a like and subscribe for more practical home care tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, fresh, clean clothes start with a mold-free wash.